I'm Kelvin O'Gale. I'm in-law under Carson. I'm a medical student.
I guess. I'm a little women produced behind the camera, so I hope you don't mind. One of the major come from ORAUSA, the headquarters of Ida North. And I do this both for home videos and professionally, and I'm a counselor too with the state. I work with human services.
I'm present. People present. Yes. What's good? Yes. This is my answer. I'm just going to put you on my company. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I don't know if you know my brand.
Dubai Queen? Yes. Prison. I'm one doctor, Mecca and Koba. I'm on your folder. The local government. I'm managing with the Greater Houston Transportation Services as a limo driver. Thank you.
I'm running here was old at the station for a very long time. Until no person when you look at some I got burying him. I'm going to Boniface, China, from Mumulachi, Mukwe, and Mukwe, the government area. There we
Good morning. Good morning. I'm just waking up. My name is Rosemary Owner. This is my husband. I've lived in Dallas for 22 years. I'm originally from Ghana, but I'm married to my husband for 14 years, and we have 4 children. And I'm a nurse manager by trade in Dallas.
Also local government. Oh, go there for boy, you know, it's near the nation. So, more than the rapport.
Yes. More Lamba, educate more and the boss can happen down for local government. And down people.
Buy a queno. Oh, be sure you can buy a queno. Where's one? I'm Victor Ordinaka Chuku, Senior and Wachuku. Our morning quay. I'm a book quay. Who made any full band with an affordable? Because I come from autonomy with the youngest route in the morning. I'm member of industrial management and personal management and economy. But even if I'm not going on, I want any more with that one. Over there now, my fan, I want
Yeah, yeah, what's good? My name is Emmanuel.
Okay.
I came here with my father. I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Accra.
Everybody Dubai I continue waya kuna mutuwa wanda I actually we wanda I work is actually one all a long distance call by you can all the way from Dallas and then yeah there in your tumba I need 20 more
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The gentleman said, my name is Emmanuel I come from Dallas, Texas. My reason for being here this afternoon, and I'd like to apologize, I'm speaking English at this point for the interest of those of us who do not understand Igbo. Fortunately, unfortunately, whatever way it is that we are being stopped here, it's only fair that we do this. I have made copies of my presentation this afternoon. I don't know if we have enough to go around. But be that as it is, I'm going to read through it. Those of you who do not have copies, please try to pick up as much as you can. On behalf of my children, on behalf of my wife, I bring you greetings. It is with this joy and gratitude that I stand before you here today to be a part of the historical occasion. We should count ourselves very blessed to be part of this, part and parcel of this organization today. With this era that we live in, marked with a lot of technological advances, and I'm actually paraphrasing, I'm not reading it word by word. We are being empowered to draw from our educational, our sociological, and other political advancements that all of us do have. We have doctors here, we have teachers, we have men and women of all spheres in life. The purpose of this gathering is to encourage you through networking to come together as people from one ethnic background to do something with the various backgrounds that we do have. The formation of an umbrella organization to gather for the general needs of old or indigenous in the United States cannot be overemphasized. We must set into motion mechanisms to help put ourselves not only in the social and political scene at home, but also establish some formidable economic strongholds. In doing this, it is my humble opinion that we should constitute ourselves into a body here in the United States. The achievement of this goal may not be very hard if all of us should take a resolve here today to formulate our goals and aspirations and set the ball in motion. Measuring the different goals of human endeavor, I am aware that although where we all come from is blessed with a lot of quality human resources here in the United States, this wealth of superior professionals, some intelligent and well-meaning ideas would come through brainstorming, only we will apply ourselves. You all know that the balance of power has not been achieved in our area of Nigeria. Let us not wait anymore for any more balance of power. Let us go for a tilt in power struggle. I'm not advocating any radical changes. I'm also actually encouraging economic empowerment of our people. Let us come together as one, put our heads together, and come up with ideas that will help us maintain a strong economic hold both here in the United States and in our homeland.